Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, do not FOMO into this market. Do not FOMO. Don't be tricked. I want you to protect your money. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why I believe you should not FOMO. If you don't know what FOMO means fear of missing out. I don't want you all to be fearful of missing out. You are not going to miss out on anything. In this video, I'm going to talk to you why you should not FOMO, and I'm going to give you some information to help you to make your own decisions. Now, remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am simply sharing with you my investment journey and sharing with you information so that you can then do your own research and then make your own financial and investment decisions. All right, so don't FOMO. Protect your money. If you work hard for your money like I work hard for mine, even if you don't work hard, guess what? You do not want to lose out on money. Now, first of all, I believe that the market is going to go sideways for a while, and then I do think we're going to take another leg down, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why. Now, I need 10,000 subscribers. I need you to share, and everybody just find me 5 subscribers, please. If you could just find me 5 subscribers, that would help me out tremendously. Please, it's valuable information. Tell your friends and family it's free to subscribe. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe. Just click on the red subscribe button, just tap subscribe. All right, now let's go ahead and I want to get into it. The first thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and I want to do a market overview. Okay, let's take a look at, you all know I like CoinGecko. So CoinGecko, today the market is a little bit over $1 trillion. Bitcoin is about 41% of the market. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got on orange, not because of Bitcoin, Go Bengals. I am a Bengals girl. Yes, go hometown Cincinnati. So congratulations to the Bengals. They just beat the Bills. And so the Bills gave it a good go, but they weren't able to pull it off. So go Bengals. So I'm representing in the orange and the black. Yes, go Bengals. All right, let me get back on. So Bengals and Bitcoin. Okay, the orange pill. I'll take it. All right, so let's go back. Now, Bitcoin. So here we go. Bitcoin is about $22,500, right? Bitcoin is up 7% in 7 days. So it's up. It's way up. Most of the market is up. Remember that nothing goes down consistently. So nothing is going to go down forever. Nothing is going to go up forever. Okay, so we've been going down for a long time. So it's kind of time for a break for the market to maybe have a little a rise. Okay, so but I am not buying any major amounts. As a matter of fact, I actually sold some crypto. I sold some because I just want to have more cash on the side for when I believe that the market is going to collapse. I think that all the markets are going to collapse, and you're going to see why. Okay, so Bitcoin is up to 22,000. You can take a look. You can look on your own. Polygon is still a buy at 99 cents. It was like $1.05 a day or so ago. And you can just see. You can see what's what. Just take a look. Near Protocol is $2.38. I think it's getting ready to be listed on Coinbase. So do your own research. The market is like at 1 trillion, which is a good thing. Now, why do I think that I'm telling you not to FOMO? Remember I told you about Digital Capital Group? Digital Capital Group owns CoinDesk. This is CoinDesk. This is a media web service that they own. And Genesis has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Now, Digital Crypto Group, they own Genesis. They also own CoinDesk, and they also own Grayscale. Now, Digital Crypto Group, they have over 600,000 Bitcoin in the Grayscale trust. And to make it a long story short, Digital Crypto Group is broke and they need money. They need money. They've got CoinDesk up for sale. They've got CoinDesk up for sale for like $200 million, but they need more than that because Genesis owes a lot of money to a lot of people. That's a whole nother story. So here's what my theory is. My theory is that Digital Crypto Group is going to need to sell some of that Bitcoin out of that Grayscale Trust to cover the debts of Genesis. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I'm just paying attention to what's been going on. Look at what these big boys have been doing. So here's the deal. They're just showing it here. They're talking about Genesis crypto lending business files for bankruptcy. And they've got that in small letters. It's amazing. Okay. And they really, to me, they're trying to downplay it. But I think this is a big deal. That's why I'm saying do not FOMO in. Look at my other video where I talked about, is this a fake rally? I think that the price of the market is being artificially elevated so that people can sell, the big boys can sell the rally and get the money that they need. So that's what's going on there. Now, why else am I telling you not to FOMO? Why do I think this market's going to fall through the floor? Look at this. Russia invaded Ukraine back in February of 2022. So we're coming up on the year anniversary. The Russians are not quitting. Something major is probably going to happen. Okay, something major. We're probably going to get some kind of a black swan event. That's a black swan event is something that we didn't expect, that's very unusual and doesn't happen often. I'm looking for a black swan event to occur. Okay. So that's why I don't FOMO in this market. Don't FOMO. Remember, I FOMO'd into Solana. FOMO'd into Solana and lost tens of thousands of dollars. The only thing that I missed out on when I FOMO'd in was the Solana profits. Don't do it. All right. So you still got the Russia and Ukraine war that is going on. There are no signs of this ending anytime soon. What else? Now, here goes some news you can really use. If you haven't clicked on subscribe, do. Saudi Arabia, for those of you all who don't understand, there's a reason why the US dollar is so powerful. There's a reason. And one of the reasons is that oil is priced in dollars. Everybody uses oil. So that makes the United States a very powerful country. Now, Saudi Arabia just said that they are now open to the idea of trading in currencies besides the US dollar. That's major. This is how things start. So they began to put this information out here. They just give you bits of information. Something major is about to happen this year in relation to the currency, okay? Does this spell doom for the greenback? Then the author tells you 3 reasons not to worry. This is the Saudi Arabian king. And let me tell you all something. When President Biden from the United States went to Saudi Arabia, it was no big deal. They gave him a fist bump. They did a fist bump. There was nothing. When Mr. Xi, the leader of China, when he went to Saudi Arabia, they brought out, he was treated like king of the year. I'm talking horses, flags, dancers, parades. They rolled out the red carpet, unlike what they did for President Biden. So that tells you right there, you should know. They are having some conversations and something's going on. Now, Saudi Arabia's finance minister, Mohammed Al-Jadaan, he stunned reporters in Davos when he expressed that the oil-rich nation, Davos is going on, it was this week, they are open to trading in currencies beside the US dollar for the first time in 48 years. For 48 years, Saudi Arabia has only traded oil in the denomination of dollars. And they're now open to trading in something else. Could be Bitcoin, could be another crypto, could be the Chinese yuan, could be the Russian ruble. We don't know. But the idea that he would publicly tell people, when people go public, that means it's getting ready to happen. Don't be naive. The reason he's going public is because he's not afraid to say what he's getting ready to do. And that's going to have major effects on our economy. All right. His comments are the latest signal that powerful nations across the world are plotting to de-dollarization of the global economy. Many countries believe that the United States is too powerful. They are plotting, they are planning, they are collaborating, they getting together. How do we decrease the power of the United States, starting with the dollar? Rebellion against the dollar. The dollar's dominance of global trade and capital flows date back to at least 80 years. Over the last 8 decades, the U.S. has been the world's largest economy. Over 80 years, the world's largest economy, the most influential political entity, and the most powerful military force. Okay, now my seat is squeaking. I don't know why. But anyway, these are 3 things that makes the United States so powerful. And so basically, other countries are wanting to get rid of some of this power. Russian President Putin, he announced measures to create a new international currency standard. He's saying we need to not do everything denominated in dollars. China has been urging oil producers and major exporters to accept yuan for payments. This is going to happen, okay? But let me tell you why replacing the dollar would be hard. Just so you know, it's not going to happen overnight, but it'll slowly, some things are going to happen. As of 2022, the American dollar accounts for almost 60% of total foreign reserves. So look at take all the countries in the world. The United States dollar accounts for 60% of their reserves. So it would be very difficult to change the status of the dollar. In comparison, the euro only accounts for about 20%, and the Chinese renminbi accounts for 2.76% of global reserves. So, I mean, nothing's going to happen no time soon, but just so you all know that other countries are looking to de-dollarize the United States dollar, okay? And so that has something to do with everything else that's going on. So that's why you do not FOMO in. Don't FOMO in. Don't do it. Now, why else am I telling you not to FOMO? In case you all didn't get the message, the memo, check this out. The Coast Guard, they are monitoring a Russian spy ship on patrol off the island of Hawaii. So the Russians have, they're getting in closer. Something's getting ready to go on. I told y'all that Black Swan event. So now we got a Russian spy ship that's patrolling off the coast of Hawaii. Don't FOMO in. This market, something's going to happen. You're going to get an opportunity. What else? This is how things happen. Don't be naive. Pay attention. The Justice Department announced a major international crypto enforcement action on this company called BitsLotto. I never even heard of BitsLotto, but they found a company, and the Justice Department just did a criminal arrest of the CEO. And this is trickling out information about crypto. Crypto will not run again. You won't see the highs again until we have regulation. People have lost billions of dollars on crypto. I assure you, crypto will not be permitted to run again, only simply because of the losses people have made. So I think this is part of the narrative that the country is beginning to put out there. They're saying that these people are criminals, and look what they've done. They've arrested the CEO, and I'm going to link this information, and it tells you the founder and the majority owner of BitsLotto. I never even heard of that company. They were charged with unlicensed money transmitting. They got arrested. They were in Miami, Florida, and they're going to be arraigned in the U.S. District Court for Southern District of Florida. So when you see things like this, you already know the market is not getting ready to take off. They're going to be suppressed. Do not FOMO into this market. Also, what else is coming up? Here's what's coming up. The FOMC and Jerome Powell, they're having their Fed meeting on January 31st and February 1st. They're going to announce another rate hike. They're going to continue to announce these rate hikes. For some reason, people think they're going to slow down and whatever. Believe me, none of us knows what's going to happen. but you can just use your basic sense and kind of figure out some things. These are the latest rate increases. In December, they raised 50 basis points. November was 75. September was 75. July was 75. A lot of people think they're going to do 25. I wouldn't be surprised if they did 50. I'm looking for 50 because Jerome Powell already said his target, he wanted inflation to be 2%. And we already know that inflation is about 6%. If you look at this Trueflation website, it has inflation at about 5.38. But Jerome Powell just said, he already told you, he's going to keep his foot on the gas until he gets inflation where he needs it to be. And he needs that inflation down because remember what I just told you all about the dollar losing its place in the world? Guess what? They've got to protect the dollar and protect their position as the world superpower at all costs. They're not going to let inflation get out of control. I assure you they're not. I'm looking for 50 basis points. All right. And so finally, let me give you all one more piece of news. Tomorrow on January 23rd, remember Polygon is having their State of the Ecosystem meeting, and you should log in. Check it out. Log in. I'm going to check it out because I'm a big time Polymatic investor. And I want to know what's going on. So there you go there. And one final thing, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. It is exactly at 50. So what that means is people are 50-50 in terms of how fearful they are about this market. Don't FOMO in. You are going to have another opportunity, I believe. Because I've just got my money on the sideline. I even sold some crypto today just so I can have more cash. I believe this market is going to take another leg down. I don't know when, but when it drops, I want to be able to take advantage of the low prices. Okay, now I believe that crypto is here to stay. Blockchain is here to stay. And so I'm a big believer in crypto and blockchain. So remember, this is not financial advice. I'm your crypto teacher. This is where we are with the market. Remember, the Russians are spying on us. They're allowing us to see their ship off the coast of Hawaii. Russia and Ukraine are still involved in the war. The Fed is still, they are showing no signs of not hiking interest rates. Digital crypto group, they're probably getting ready to have to sell some of their Bitcoin. Don't FOMO in. You're going to have an opportunity to buy crypto, I believe, at a better price. Not financial advice, but that is what I believe, and these are the why. I'm going to put all of these links in the description, so if you want to read the articles and get more information, you can do that on your own. Remember, subscribe. I need 10,000 subscribers. First of all, I'm grateful for all of you for watching. If all of you can find me 5 subscribers, I would really, really appreciate it. Just tell the people it does not cost to subscribe. Just press subscribe and you're subscribed. So there we go. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I hope you are protecting your wealth. Protect your money. Protect your money. Do not FOMO. I'm Ida, your crypto teacher. I'm out.